Where in the world is Nomi headed now?
All right, travel band. Show me the next stop. Big heart, big bites, big world. Top of the morning to ya. I'm in Ireland with a warm bowl of shepherd's pie. Let me tell you about it. In Ireland, I ran through the grass, soft and high, then sat on a stump with my shepherd's pie. I scooped up a bite, but oh, what a slip. The gravy went flying and landed plop on my lip. It was a tasty mess, but I cleaned it up with a big old grin.
Shepherd's pie is a classic Irish dish made with meat, veggies, and mashed potatoes baked on top. It's warm and hearty like a big old hug.
Can you draw your own shepherd's pie? What would you put in yours? Carrots? Corn? Or maybe cheese?
Hey adults! Visit meetnomi.com to download free coloring pages and discover warm, cozy meals from all around the world.
Sláinte. That means cheers.
Don't forget to visit meetnomi.com for more books, videos, and free activities. Subscribe below to follow Nomi's next adventure. Remember, big heart, big bites, big world.